What's up guys, it's your girl Tay Charnel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another holiday inspired makeup look for you guys. 'Tis the season to be glam, so I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this classic holiday inspired makeup look. But before we get started, if you are new, welcome. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That way you never miss an upload. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so I went ahead and primed my eyelids and fill in my brows off camera. And you can use whatever primer that you like or that you have. To prime today, I used my Cream Contour Spectrum palette by Zoeva Cosmetics. I got this in one of my Boxy Charm subscription, but you can use whatever concealer that you have that you like or a primer of choice. So for the eyes today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. So to start, I am going to go into the shade, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it is Casina, I don't know. And I'm just gonna take that color and I'm gonna place it in at my crease, and I am using a Morphe M433 brush. Then I'm going to take this Luxie Beauty blending brush and I'm going to go in with a little bit of Jamila, just a little bit. This palette is very pigmented, so try your best not to be heavy-handed. Now I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more of the first color, which is Casina, and I'm just going to blend all those colors together, and I'm gonna take Casina up into my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with the black shade, which is Chad, and I'm gonna take my M507 brush and I'm gonna concentrate this shade right on my outer V. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush just to blend that out into the crease. Alright, for my lid color, I'm going to go in with Senegal, which is this pretty gold shade right there. Alright, now it's time to blend. So we're gonna first go back in with Jamila, then Katsana, and we're just gonna blend until everything looks nice and seamless. Now we're gonna go back in with Chad. And then that clean brush that doesn't have any product on it. I'm just gonna touch up that lid color a little bit and blend it between the black . And that is it for the eyes. For now, let's get into the face. So to start, I am using Benefit the Professional Primer. Alright, so for foundations today, I'm using the Pat McGrath Lab Foundation. This foundation is not as full coverage as I like my foundation. So if you like a full coverage beat, this foundation is not for you. It's not for me either, but I gotta use it. So because it is not as full coverage as I like my foundations, I'm just gonna do a bit of color correcting, and this is going to cancel out any darkness or dark spots that you may have. So I'm gonna set my concealer, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and this one is in the shade Translucent Honey. So I'm gonna press this into my skin. Now back to the eyes. So we're gonna apply our lashes, and these are Faux Mink 3D multi-layer lashes, and they are in the style FML012. I don't know if that is the name of the brand, and I forgot what website I got them, but these are the lashes that we are gonna be using today. These are so pretty. So lashes are on. They are still drying. So I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. I'm not sure if I want to smoke it out or if I'm just going to leave it. I think I'm just going to add a black liner. This is by LA Girl, and this one is very black, so I'm just going to tightline. Now I'm just gonna add the finishing touches to my face. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder, some blush, and highlight. So for blush, I'm using the NARS blush in Savage. And then for highlighter, I'm using Juvia's Place loose highlighter, and this is the Royalty one. Now I'm just gonna spray my face, and I'm using the Smashbox Photo Ready Setting Spray. Alright, now for the lips. So a Classic Holiday Glam is not complete without a red lip. So first I'm gonna start using my MAC lip liner, and this one is in the shade Night Moth. And then for the lips, we are using Fenty Beauty Uncensored. Guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, as always, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share, hit that notification bell so that you never miss an upload. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, definitely comment down below and let me know. Also, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see next. Until next time, bye bye.